Welcome to my channel Review Book Nepal. Today I am going to review the book The America Play written by Susan Lori Parks. It is based on the post-modern play and it is written in the 1994. And the play is for the quest of identity or searching of uh, identity in the white domination. And the play is divided into two parts. One is Lincoln and the second is the Hall of Wonders. The play takes in a play an exact replica of the great whole of history. And in the Lincoln play, first of all we have to know that the Abraham Lincoln is the fighter for the right of the African American, and Susan Lori Parks is the African American writer, and she tries to show that still there is a slavery and we have to remove the slavery. We have to search for the quest of identity that the Abraham Lincoln has said in the earlier time. And in the Lincoln at first act, that is in the America play, that is one character that is known as the Lesser Known, and he's also known as the founding father. And his work is the great digging. And in order to dig the grave of the Lincoln, he has left his family, and he went to the west to dig the grave of the Lincoln. And he says that and everyone says that his act is also known, his every action, every move is like the action of the Abraham Lincoln. And everyone says that the founding father. And here people get confused that who is founding father and who is the Lesser Known. But the Lesser Known and the founding father are same. And in the beginning of the play he says that I cannot dig, I too big, I am ashamed. He has to dig the grave of the Lincoln because he thinks that the grave he has been living, the grave that the Lincoln has buried is not proper buried. And in order to dig the grave, here the digging of the grave of the past people or Lincoln is shown kind of symbolic action that is the black people still not find their right, and they have to search for their right in order to digging the past events in the present events. And in order to the digging of the grave is not only so the Lincoln's grave, it is only so the replica of the great whole of history. And he's fascinated by the Lincoln, fascinated by the Lincoln assassination, which happened in the Washington theater, when the Lincoln is watching the watching the play known as the My American Cousins. And at that time he is shot in the theater, and he is dead, and he was dead. And that is and in the last act of the Lincoln act, that Mary Todd, the Lincoln's wife, says that emergency, please, the great men in the ground. That is known as the first act. And in the second act we see the Hall of Wonders, and there are different parts like a Big Bang echo, the Big Bang theory that we have already known. The earth is rounding the earth is rounding over the sun, like that. And the Big Bang echo, archaeology and echo, he always brings the example of echo to shows that the thing that has been presented in the past is still not good for the present present condition of the people. And they have to search their the past to find the right in the present time. And in the second, at the Hall of Wonders, we see two characters. One is Luigi, and second is Brazil. And in the searching of his father, the founding father of the Lesser Known, he is going to the west. They are Lucy is the Lesser Known's wife, and Brazil is the son of the founding father. And in the search of his father, they talk about their life, the honeymoon, the Lucy and the founding father has gone to the great whole history, and she tries to stop him to dig the grave, but he explains that the business and fascination within Lincoln, the life and death of the Lincoln is his business, and it is his fascination, and it is good to follow the great man's. He says that, and he left his family. So the Lucy is searching for the founding father, and here she hears the sound of the, while searching the lesser known, she hears the sound of the gun shoot, and they think that the founding father that they have been searching is gone out, or he is dead. And she again talks about the Bum Price, who is the gun shooter of the Lincoln. And she says that she keeps all the secret of the white people in his heart. That is also the symbol that the secret of the white people is still known by the everything is known by the African people, but they don't try to show. And while searching for his husband, her husband, she finds that she is dead. He is dead, and the Brazil, and the dream that had been the founding father is dreaming is fulfilled by his son. The Brazil dig the dust of the Lincoln, and they buried the dust of the Lincoln properly. And they think that if the founding father think that if the right that they had not been received in this time is because the history of the past is not buried properly. So we have to source the identity, and source our freedom, and to find the grave of the Lincoln. And when they have been performing in the stage, it is a play, and that is the play within a play, and they have been performing on the stage. And while performing, Brazil remembers his father, and think that his father is dead, because they have only heard the sound of the shot and think that they had been he is dead. And Brazil, tears comes from his eyes, and Lucy, his mother, tries to console him. And next, the scene, the play is moving like it is not a daily life activity. It is like month activities. And like the founding father, he has the, and when they have been performing on the stage, his father come, and they think, and there is no description of why he is come, and how they have not described the dead man comes in the stage, why he is come. And like the founding father, he has a great black hole in his great hand. And the play ends the audiences to note the words that how the notions mourns. That is the best art that is known as the African American quest of identity. And it is the emancipation of the slavery, and black rights and freedom is shadowing in somewhere. So we should have to search for our black identity. That is the main focus of the Susan Lori Parks. And she says that the suit did that appears in the black rights and freedom. The suit did that the Susan Lori Parks describing here is the appeals for the black rights and freedom. And digging the graves of the black is to search for their identity, which is lost in the great history. The identity and freedom, according to Abraham Lincoln, he says that injustice everywhere is injustice everywhere is not justice everywhere. That is the main point the Abraham Lincoln says. And thank you so much for watching this video. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon.